all warmly welcome on SLTV Lab.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again on SRTV Lab. Today we are going to see PR interval, QRS interval, and the ST segment. Let's start with PR interval. PR is from the beginning of P wave to the beginning of QRS complex. But before we see it, you remember on electrocardiogram we find P wave, Q wave. Here there is no Q wave, but R wave is obvious. Then there is S wave. T wave here is very obvious. P, R, S, T. Then what we call QRS interval, it's from the beginning of Q wave. If there is no Q wave, it's from the R wave to the end of C wave. Like here, it's from this point to this one. This is QRS interval. Then ST segment is from the end of QRS complex. Do you get me? To the beginning of T wave. So it's from here to here actually. Okay, good. When you look at the other, it's from here to here. Look, now there is a normal duration of every part we have said. Let's start with PR. The PR interval actually should equal, the duration of PR interval is 0.12 up to 0.20 seconds. And you remember the speed of this electrocardiogram, when it comes out of the electrocardiography, it is 25 millimeters per second. 25, they are 5 big squares. Because one small square, this small one, they equals to one. One small square side equals to 1 millimeter. So if the duration of 5 big squares or 25 small squares equals to 1 second, then one small square duration will be 1/25. So it will be 0.04. Do you get me? It will be 0.04. Therefore, if PR interval is 0.12 to 0.20, which means it is between how many? 3 small squares to how many small squares? 5 small squares. Now let's see. Look at this. Let me zoom it clearly. Okay, all right. Let's have a look at this. Okay, this is very clear now. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. We have 5 small squares for PR interval, which means this is in a normal range. The duration here is 0.20. Good. Now let's go to QRS interval. QRS interval actually should equal to 0.08 up to 0.10, which means the 2 small squares up to 2.5. Do you get me? Not 2.5. 2 small squares. Then now let's look at the QRS interval of this person. Remember, the QRS interval should be between 0.08 to 0.10 or 10, which means it's between 2 small squares to 2.5 small squares. But when you look at this person, the QRS interval is just one small square. One small square. At so many parts, it's one small square. Just there is a short just duration after one small square, but as you can see, the duration doesn't reach to 0.08, which means there is a problem with this person. So the duration of QRS interval is not normal for this person. Good. For the ST segment, here we check if it is isoelectric. Normally, ST segment should not deviate. Like here, that is good. That is isoelectric. Isoelectric means there is no deviation. It doesn't go upward or downward. This is not bad, and this is not bad. That's good. So this guy for ST segment, no problems. Please support this channel by pressing like, subscribe, and the bell. This is a huge support for this channel. May God bless you.